Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will continue fixing topology and removing some issues due to bad topology. Also, as you can see here, we have this great model of cooking teapot as shown here. So let's get started. So let's continue adding more geometry to the bottom of this cooking pot. Also, we need to dissolve some edges like this. You should make all the quad mesh. Switch to vertex selection mode. Select these vertices. Hit F to fill. Also do it for all faces like this. Hit F to fill. Also, we need to fill this angle for this time. Hit numpad 7 for the top view. Also, we need to use the knife tool in order to draw this edge. To the center. Also, you need to make sure that you have created all quads. You have another problem with creating this tray. Also, let's remove it. So I'm gonna be using the knife tool like this. Then connect over there, hit enter to confirm. Also, we need to connect using the knife tool again. To connect these two vertices like this, hit enter. So switch to edge selection mode, select these two edges like this. At the same time, hold down the shift key, then Ctrl X to dissolve these two faces in order to avoid creating some topology issues. Switch to vertex selection mode. So let's grab it a little bit, hit GG twice. I think it's so good. Use it twice to grab it like this. Let's enable the subdivision surface modifier. We have some topology issues like this, as shown here. So let's see what is the problem. I think something is messed up. Another face should be filled like this. Then enable subdivision surface modifier. Let's see now what we have over there. I think it's a great shape for now, so no topology issues. So let's enable on cage for the mirror modifier. Ctrl R to add the loop cut. I think it will be fine when adding some loop cuts for this grid field section. Ctrl R. It will be fine and good with no topology issues. Let's try to add another loop cut. Disable subdivision surface modifier. Alt and select, so let's scale it just a tiny bit. Ctrl Z. As you can see in this tutorial, we have many shading issues due to the bad topology. Also, let me show you some important tips over. Also, we need for the bottom, don't make this mistake when trying to fill in some bottom parts like this, the base of the body of cooking pot. This is so hard to make it because when trying to use in some grid fill command Ctrl F, it's very bad, and that make a weird shape because of subdivision surface modifier. And also for the mirror modifier, should apply it in some cases before adding some tricks. So as you can see, we have got this great and very amazing topology for this cooking pot. Also, we need to add some loop cuts. Ctrl R. Let's add some loop cuts over there. Ctrl Z to undo. Let's work for the inner part of the body of this cooking pot. Also, so let's select edge loop like this, then let's try to extrude in, then scale it. Disable subdivision surface modifier like this. Hit numpad 7 for the top view. This will be better for modeling and seeing and orbiting around. So let's scale it. This is going be hidden underneath the base of the cooking pot. So let's grab it along the axis. G, Z, Ctrl Z, then G, Z to grab it along the axis like this. Just make it close to the bottom of this dome. Then let's it extrude as to scale just a little bit like this. It extrude then as to scale. Make it just a small edge loop at the center of this base. Then after fill, so let's add loop cut, Ctrl R. Add loop cut, then bring it just a tiny bit to this part. Then Ctrl R to add another loop cut. Ctrl R to add another loop cut over there close to this loop cut, in order to make some touches for this part. So let's enable subdivision surface modifier. We have created this grid shape for the cooking pot. Tap the object mode. So let's see what we have. Right now we have a grid shape for our cooking pot. Let's see if we have a nice topology or no. It's great. I think it's Okay, very amazing. No other issues, I think. So let's continue showing you some tricks you should follow along my tutorial in order to understand subdivision and the topology very clear and clearly. I'm trying to show you the best and the easiest way to model this kind of kitchen tools. So Alt H in order to bring the lid. So let's grab this cover, this lid, whatever you call it, I don't know. In British English and American English, so difference, just a bit difference, just something different. We call this so. I think it's very amazing. No problems, no issues. I think it's great. Yes, it's great. As you can see here, using this. So just let's add some. We should rename it in the second collection. Double click, left mouse button. So let's call it just think lid cooking pot. Hit enter. In order to make a good work for this modeling, so let's just zoom a little bit to see better. Also, let's back to edit mode. Ctrl R to add another look at. So let's see what you have here. Shift. It's very nice and clean topology for our cooking pot. I think not bad. So it's the end of this final part of modeling cooking pot. So thanks for watching. See you in other tutorials.